Is this a correct way to check if an argument value is part of a defined range of values? I am using the following assert to validate the argument value in a function. I have a function test that takes a Boolean input arg1 that can be none, true or false. Is this okay to make sure arg1 is only one of those possible values? My friend tells me the following. Can't do this. You have to compare true, false, and none as identities, is not equals. Doing an and is equivalent to multiple equalses. You have to maintain separate is's. Is that correct?
Your friend is correct in the case of none. You should always use identity to test for it unless you're okay with just noneness, which you almost never are. As for true or false, you need to examine whether you need the exact values or if just the truthiness is required. If the former, then you can use in to test for them, but if the latter, then you shouldn't test at all and just pass the argument to bool when you use it in a Boolean context. But there is another problem in your code that both of you have missed. Assertions should not be used for decision making. Assertions should be used when actions would have a deleterious effect on the system, not for just validating input.
If you need identity testing, you must use is. Your friend is correct, as in uses equality testing. For example, if someone passes in a 0, it will not trigger your assertion. You may not be expecting that,